Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How is everybody?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shiva.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Saksham. How was the maths exam today?
Ma'am,
Good.
it was
Ma'am,
nice.
good.
Good, easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay, let me take everybody in. How is your SST preparation?
Ma'am, good.
It's going good.
Okay, that's really nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shreya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji, Beta.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I am showing you a map. Ma'am, is this map, ma'am, sufficient for the exam?
Okay, show it. एक मिनट आपको पिन कर दें बेटा जीवांश एक मिनट बच्चे
No, ma'am.
जस्ट अ सेकंड जीवांश जस्ट अ सेकंड हाँ जी जीवांश दिखाओ फ्रांस का बिल्कुल सफिशिएंट है बेटा
Okay, ma'am.
बिल्कुल सफिशिएंट है ये ठीक है एनी अदर डाउट
No, ma'am.
फाइन
No, ma'am.
see one thing I want to make clear for the map work see you may get one map to identify to ठीक है अब आइडेंटिफाई वाला जो मैप है बेटा if you get this type of map you don't need any map for this because already map is provided to you you just have to tell the names of 1 2 3 what is written am I clear say for example for your class it is see suppose this one is say Maharashtra say for example I have told you to identify the states right so one is Maharashtra am I clear
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You-
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes map you don't need any map when it shows identify the following I hope I am clear with this
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Yes, ma'am.
second kind of map when it says mark the following on the political map of India in this case you need a map right you will be given certain statements say for example sorry mark the union territory on the western, on the western coast. Got it? So whichever union territory is there on the western coast, you will be marking that. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then if in the second this thing it tells you show, locate केरल स्टेट. ठीक है, तो आपने यहाँ पे केरल को मार्क करा और लिख दिया. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any confusions?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
ठीक है. जिस केस में पूछता है आइडेंटिफाई, उसमें मैप नहीं चाहिए. Where it says mark the following, you need a map. I hope I am clear to everyone. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, अब हम आ जाते हैं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes बेटा, ऋषि बोलो.
Ma'am, please join from another device.
What? Please.
Ma'am, please join me from another device.
हाँ, you join. I'll take you. No issues. Are you there in the meeting, in the waiting room?
Ma'am, just coming.
Okay. I have taken you in, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चा. Beta, those who have just joined, I was telling them regarding the map work. If it comes for identifying, you have to simply write the names that have been asked. And if it tells you to mark, you need to use the maps. Fine. In locate or mark, you have to. 1 minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Chalo, I hope this map wala thing is clear to everyone, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए थोड़ा हिस्ट्री का रिवीजन कर लें.
Yes.
हिस्ट्री का रिवीजन कर लें.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. But oral.
नहीं, रिटन. ऐसा करो, ये जो स्क्रीन पे जो ये फर्स्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस दिख रहे हैं, इनके आंसर लिख के ग्रुप पे डाल दो. ठीक है?
Ma'am, I'm doing on a laptop. Ma'am, may I directly send by typing?
चैट बॉक्स में बेटा, फिर मेरे को स्क्रीन, क्योंकि मैंने दूसरे डिवाइस को होस्ट बना रखा है ना, तो इस चैट बॉक्स में आप भेज पाओगे क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, पक्का. 1 मिनट रुको. अच्छा, 1 मिनट रुको. हम रिक्लेम कर लेते हैं अपने आप को, फिर क्या पता शायद.
Ma'am, you can allow the second device to screen share, and you can be the host from your primary device.
अब हो गया. ठीक है, अब हम होस्ट बन गए हैं. अब आप जो है भेज दो, चैट पे भेज दो. ओनली सक्षम विल सेंड, नॉट एवरीवन. ओके? See, the less time you take in writing the answer, more time we will get to revise. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to send answers on the writing in the copy.
You can do that, your wish. Write in the notebook, that will be better. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta. Yes,
Ma'am, in exam, my flow chart will come to make.
the ones that are in your book, they may come. The ones that I gave you, you may draw them to support the question. If anything related to the flowchart has been asked, that you can use. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the third question, we have to write the name. Ma'am, we have to write the rights.
You have to write the name of the leader and you have to tell who were the members of the Jacobean Club.
Ma'am, in the third question.
Okay, sorry. Which rights were the natural? You have to tell which rights were considered as natural and unalienable according to the French Constitution.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, when I'm gone to Naina Didi, ma'am, I asked them for a map, ma'am, but she have only a physical France map, ma'am. So, ma'am, it will be okay if I mark on the physical map, ma'am, if the question comes up there.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent.
Okay. I'm just. ठीक है. First four answers you have said, no? Saksham, you can give examples also, like whatever answer you have written, in that you have to specify the groups also you can specify, okay?
Ma'am, in the first question, what groups will come?
It is clearly written, no? 3-4 names are given. For example.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji Parush.
Ma'am, in exam, the geography and history part will be, ma'am, mixed.
Yes, it will be combined. वो part A
Okay,
होगा
ma'am.
आपका, वो part A होगा, उसमें geography history combine लिखोगे आप, अलग questions हमने नहीं दिए, एक साथ मिला के दिए हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, choices will be provided in the question answers.
No, choices are not there. Okay. ठीक है. Saksham, in fourth question, you one more point is there that you have left. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell in the chat?
I'm
box?
writing. You can see your chat. I'm sending you.
Ma'am, we have to write them in the chat.
No, you don't have to write on the chat. In the chat. Right? These
Okay, ma'am.
people, these people of the third state, they got the right to vote. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो बाकी आपके सारे आंसर्स ठीक है बेटा. Shall I scroll to the next 5? चलिए.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी पौरुष.
Ma'am, I have one doubt in the history chapter, ma'am.
बोलिए बेटा. Please ask.
Ma'am, there is on page number 6, there is a figure given, that is figure 4. Ma'am, in this there is one word given, disease epidemics. Ma'am, which disease fell through at that time, ma'am, at substances?
बेटा एपिडेमिक्स उस टाइम पे होते थे आपके प्लेग सबसे ज्यादा होता था. फिर फेमाइन्स वगैरह होती थी. ठीक है. पर जब एपिडेमिक की बात करते हैं तो प्लेग वाज द वर्स्ट एपिडेमिक दैट टुक प्लेस. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the plague happened in France also.
सब ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड.
Ma'am, we have to send ma'am all the answers together or ma'am?
5 you
Ma'am,
can set. I said no, 5 you can set. Send 5 will do.
Am I sending the ma'am the 9th question? I sent it.
Okay. Saksham, sixth one is wrong. No, sorry, seventh one is wrong. I am sending you the correct answer. Ninth is also wrong. Okay, eighth is fine. Saksham got the answers? Saksham?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you sending the answers? Anvesha, are you there?
Ma'am, can you scroll up a bit?
Yes, Peter. Okay.
Ma'am, up, ma'am, and down.
Which question you need?
No, ma'am, this is fine, ma'am. I need the fourth.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, take it.
बेटा स्क्रॉल करें, आंसर्स डिस्कस कर लें। आप लोग बहुत टाइम लगा रहे हो लिखने में बेटा।
Ma'am, first may I send the answers from 4 to 8th one?
हाँ हाँ, यू कैन सेंड।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please show from the 8th question.
From the 8th question, okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent my answers from 4 to 8.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. ठीक है, 9th का नहीं लिखा आपने?
No, ma'am, I am writing.
Okay. ठीक है Saksham, 11th is correct. 10th you have written? नहीं बेटा. Saksham, in question 11 you have to tell how did he come to power. उसने अपने आप को जब डिक्लेयर करा, क्राउन करवाया,
ओके मैम.
तो रीजन क्या था उसके पीछे, हाउ ही गॉट द पावर. Divyansh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो पारुष बेटा.
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, in exam, ma'am, like, ma'am, history, there are some constitutional symbols are given. So, ma'am, these will come, ma'am, to
हाँ, वो
identify.
पॉलिटिकल सिंबल्स आ सकते हैं, उस दिन बताया था बेटा हमने.
Okay, ma'am.
Saksham, 12th is wrong. Correct answer is sorry. Saksham, this is not correct. 12th one I am sending you. Saksham, you got the answer? 12th one? Saksham?
Yes ma'am.
It is not the one that I have sent you just now. That is the correct answer. Okay. Abolition of. Then the next answer. How many you people have done?
Ma'am, till 15.
15 done.
Ma'am, till 11.
चलो एक काम करते हैं, 11 तक आंसर्स डिस्कस कर लेते हैं फटाफट से. ठीक है. Who were the members of the Jacobean club? Name the leader. Members of Jacobean clubs were the less prosperous section, that is small shopkeepers, artisans, shoemakers, pastry cooks, right? And Maximilian Robespierre was the name of the leader. Saint Clotus, it was the Jacobeans were known as Saint Clotus, which meant without knee breeches. Then the natural and unalienable rights according to the French Constitution were.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of unalienable?
Inalienable का मतलब होगा जिनको आप मना नहीं कर सकते, जिनको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before law. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next question is which section of the French society got political rights by the Constitution of 1791? आपका जो men थे of 25 years of men 25 years of age and who were rich, who could pay taxes equivalent to 3 days wages of a labor. ठीक है. Then fifth one, which principle was followed by a state general for taking vote? It was each state has.
Ma'am, each state has one
Good.
vote.
Very good, very good. Then sixth one is, what was the Estates General? It was a political body to which the 3 estates sent their representatives. Correct. Jivyansh का मैंने पढ़ा था, correct answer है. ठीक है. Then which news enraged the system of privileges in 18th century France? इसका आंसर था the imposition of taxes by the king. ठीक है. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
where were the ideas of the philosophers discussed intensively in France? They were mostly discussed in the saloons. ठीक है.
And ma'am, coffee houses.
Coffee houses.
Ma'am, coffee houses.
हाँ, कॉफी शॉप्स कह लो, कॉफी हाउसेस कह लो. ठीक है. यहाँ पे ये जो मेन जगह थी यहाँ पर किए जाते थे डिस्कस. ठीक है. Then the next question is, when did French women got the right to vote? Political rights कब मिले women को? 1940.
Ma'am, 1918.
ना 1946 बेटा.
Okay, ma'am. 1946.
ठीक है. फिर 10th क्वेश्चन है आपका, नेपोलियन बोनापार्टे कैसे पावर में आए? हाउ डिड ही?
What was the answer of 9?
9th is 1946 बेटा. How did Napoleon Bonaparte came to power? Question number 10.
Ma'am, he conquered neighboring European countries and created kingdoms where he.
Ma'am,
placed
because of
members
the
his
directory.
family.
Ma'am, because of the fail of the direct
the-
instability of the directory, he
due
come
to
to the power.
Due to the political instability of the directory, he came to power. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then who wrote the Declaration of the Rights of Women and Citizen? It was Olympia de Gouges. ठीक है.
Go.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is, which law came into effect soon after the incident of Bastille 1789? Abolition of censorship. ठीक है. जब बेस्टाइल 1789 वाला हुआ था इंसिडेंट, उसके बाद सेंसरशिप को एबॉलिश कर दिया गया था इन फ्रांस. Who crowned himself as Emperor of France? Napoleon Bonaparte.
Ma'am, Napoleon Bonaparte.
Yes, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself as the Emperor of France. Where was Napoleon defeated and in which year?
Ma'am, Waterloo in
At Waterloo in 1815.
Yes, he was defeated at Waterloo in 1815. Very good. Next question is, next answer is,